How to remove the paste border in your Microsoft Word. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial in order to do so you may follow this method. For that, we can open up a Word document, any of the Word document that is available. After once we open it up, what we can do is we can just go over, look out for the design tab in the top of our menu and look out for the option called paste border. Sometimes it's on view section as well. You can look out for it and look out for paste borders. Let's head over and look out for it. So head over to design for that and look out for paste borders option and click on it. And in the borders and shading window under settings, what you can do is you can just go over and select the option of none. This one right here, and apply up the changes. Same goes for shading as well. You can clear out and select none. After that, click on OK, and the paste border is now removed. Apart from that, you can remove borders from a section only. So you can select the section of the document where the border is located and go to the design option. I can head over the paste borders and under apply to section here, just go over and select this section and look out for OK and click on none. After you do so, and go ahead and apply the changes, and the paste border will be now removed. And another what we can do is just go to design option once again, go to paste borders and look out for none option for each of those and go ahead and apply the changes, and that should also work out for you. And make sure that you are not confusing table or paragraph borders with paste borders. And if the page still shows a line, you can check the section breaks and repeat the removal. But that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.